Welcome back. The new BJP President Nitin Gadkari held his first press conference today in Delhi, outlining his challenges and priorities. His biggest challenge, of course, is to unite a badly fractured party, as Rahul Srivastava now reports.
राहुल गांधी की जिस तरह की राजनीति है, उस पर गडकरी जी की क्या प्रतिक्रिया?
कोई नहीं, अच्छा करने दीजिए उनको, मेरी शुभकामनाएं उनको। और म्यूचुअल ट्रस्ट, परस्पर विश्वास, इसको अच्छी तरह से बढ़े।
Answering two questions, Gadkari outlined his big one challenge, putting forward a united front in a party whose leaders have been publicly fighting for posts. To set an example, he promised to hold no other post and laced it with a warning.
किसी प्रकार की भी अनुशासनहीनता टॉलरेट नहीं की जाएगी।
Gadkari also made it clear it's time for a change, so merit is back.
जो कार्यकर्ता काम करेगा, उसको पहली प्राथमिकता।
The Maharashtra leader portrays himself as a small man out to do a big job. Modesty apart, Delhi's winter and BJP's disarray will test his skills. Within days of his coronation, the party lost Jharkhand and a rebellion rages in Rajasthan. In addition, the RSS wants more of its men and say in the BJP. With each bouquet, a new request. But Gadkari is carefully but steadily setting his own terms.
कि जो चाटुगिरी का और इस प्रकार का जो एक पॉलिटिकल कल्चर हमारे यहाँ आया है, उसको कितना कम हो सके।
Nitin Gadkari's political challenge is the BJP's crisis of credibility versus Sonia, Rahul and Manmohan's collective credibility. His personal crisis is that he has to restore the credibility of the party and build links between the organization, politics and the voters. He is expected to do a lot and still practice self-last, almost being expected to do a Mahatma Gandhi. In Delhi, Rahul Srivastava, NDTV.
Tuba.com